I fasted for 30 days. So for 30 days, I stopped eating for 16 hours a day. No breakfast, no snacks, just black coffee and water, and a lot of patience. I wanted to see what would change, not just in my body, but in my mind. Could I actually control the one thing most people never question in their life? Hunger.
It's really complicated for me not to have breakfast.
I've always been surrounded by noise. Fasting felt like a rebellion against that, a way to reset, not just my metabolism, but my attention. So today, I start the first day of the fast. Feeling a bit hungry. It's 12 o'clock, so I'm just about to start to eat, and I'll have my 8-hour eating window. The first week was chaos. Hunger hit like waves. My patience gone out the window. The world revolved around food, and I was orbiting just outside it. So it's day 3 of the fast. Feeling a bit better today. Yesterday was a bit tougher to kind of hold in the hunger. I've just done resistance training, and it's felt great. To do all the sets like I've done in the past, so it's been amazing.
Doctors won't tell you what happens when you fast 16 hours a day, but your body will tell you.
Something strange happened around day 5. The hunger didn't disappear, it changed. It became quieter, manageable, like a background hum.
Cravings rewire. At first, you'll feel hunger waves, not because your body needs food, but because your hormones are trained to expect it. You see, you have a hormone called ghrelin. Ghrelin is like a gremlin. When it's around, your stomach makes noise. It's not fun. It's like, get the hell out of here. You want food. You feel hungry. So within weeks, your hunger hormone ghrelin begins to adjust. And the amazing part is that you actually get comfortable with feeling hunger.
13th day of the fast, and yeah, feeling pretty good today. Not very hungry. I'm usually quite hungry in the morning. Well, right now it's 20 past 11, and in 40 minutes I'd have to break my fast. But as last night I didn't finish eating till 9 o'clock, well, now I have to wait until 1 o'clock to keep the same cycle. And this is probably the part which I found a bit difficult on the weekend, because I was out with the kids, we went bowling, and I completely forgot about the time frame of the fast. Around the second week, something clicked. My focus sharpened, my energy stabilized. The fast stopped feeling like restriction and started feeling like rhythm. It wasn't about skipping food anymore. It was about choosing discipline over impulse.
You're going to see tremendous improvements in your digestive health. Yeah, gut healing starts here. Going without food for 16 hours a day is a great reset for your digestive system. You know, it takes so much energy to digest food, a lot of blood flow, a lot of resources, a lot of bandwidth. And so many people who have leaky gut, who have digestive issues like acid reflux, bloating, GERD, constipation, or even diarrhea, it's because they have never given their digestive system a break from food.
Day 17 of the fast, feeling pretty good. I'm noticing the best part of this is I wake up with much more energy. I wake up much easier than usual. I don't know if it's to do with the levels of adrenaline in my body, because of the hunger maybe. I don't know, but it feels like I can wake up much easier now.
Since you're not using energy to digest that food, you're completing digestion around that 14-hour mark, there's now energy being diverted towards healing. It's one of my favorite benefits to a 16-hour daily fast. You see, within the first couple of weeks here, you're gonna notice improved energy, focus, and mental clarity. This is really important for somebody who wants to stay focused and sharp, somebody who struggles with maybe brain fog. A lot of this will start to disappear. These symptoms will disappear just a couple weeks in because of this energy diversion process. You're now sending blood flow and resources and nutrients to the brain instead of the gut for digestion.
Nearly about to throw it away. Nearly about to finish this before time. I was having my coffee and there was a banana on the table that I'd left there from yesterday, and without even thinking about it, without even purposely going to pick it up and peel it and eat it, I started doing it unconsciously. I started peeling it unconsciously to eat it. So this is why the hunger is a psychological thing as well. So that's happened to me a couple of times. Like I was subconsciously starting to eat something before I realized, oh, I'm fasting, I can't do it. So yeah, I was very close to breaking the fast today and throwing this process out the window.
It made me realize how often we feed every craving, not just hunger, but attention. After 30 days, the scale said -3 kilos, but the mirror said something else. My relationship with food, with time, even with focus, shifted. Fasting didn't make me superhuman. It just reminded me that patience is a muscle. We spend our lives feeding the next notification, the next craving, the next bite. But in silence, in emptiness, you learn what truly feeds you. Sometimes fasting isn't about food. It's about remembering how to be hungry for the right things.
Fasting, I believe, is nature's reset button. Fasting is one of the best ways to harness this innate intelligence within your body, this inner physician. You were hardwired for the old school. There's nothing new about fasting. It's just nuanced or new to some people. Fasting has been around for as long as humans have existed.
Because, 3 kilos in 1 month with hardly any change in diet. And still, I think I had like 1 or 2 beers on the weekend. And I ate pizza some of the weeks, so I wasn't restricting my diet. I was just restricting the time when I was eating. The body follows the mind, and the mind can be trained. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe for more videos, and you can also hit the bell icon so you get the notification every time I upload a video. Check out this other video here about English and Spanish cultures and how they differ and how they shape me as a person. See you in the next one.